Introducing the Polylock Extend and Lock series that easily extends any 6-inch, 4-inch, and 3-inch pipe. All three sizes of extend and locks are scheduled 40 PVC pipe size. The patented spiral flutes provide a friction fit to prevent loosening and pullout. Polylock extend and locks are designed to fit inside of 4-inch, 3-inch, and 6-inch pipes. That includes clay, cast iron, Schedule 40 PVC or ABS, and SDR 35 PVC pipe. Using a hammer and block wood or rubber mallet, drive in the extend and lock until it is secured in the pipe. It is that easy. You now have a perfect Schedule 40 pipe to connect any Polylock filter housing, baffle tee, or any Schedule 40 socket using the standard PVC primer and PVC cement. Polylock extend and lock can be used in retrofit and new applications. They are an easy and time-saving fix for what could be a labor-intensive problem.